She's going to stay here. Is that what you wanted?
Oh, let's see. Gooseneck lamp up here with the rest of my writing things. Mirror in the living room, please. Jen, you didn't.
I don't know what happened. I wasn't even touching it. Mom, I couldn't see myself in it. My reflection wasn't in it.
What?
I couldn't see myself in the mirror. And then I thought I saw somebody else in it.
You know how old mirrors are? I never made a move yet without something getting broken.
Hey, that's 7 years bad luck.
Nonsense. I broke a mirror the day I met your mother.
I'm not sure that makes your point, darling.